What's up, guys? Back with another YouTube video. I know you're like, where's Mike? Where's G? And it's like, I don't know. It's me, Jay. I'm usually behind the camera. Mike's holding the camera right now. But let's get into the car. This is a Kona N 2022. It came in for a flex pipe. We did a little repair on the flex pipe and it needed a section as well. Flex pipe is right up here. Flex pipe looks great. And then down from this flex pipe, you got the flange running over into this little section that we did right here. A little, 2 1/4 inch piping over into this resonator that looks stock, stock resonator. And then going over into the rest of the system, the mid pipe, and then you got another flange right here going into the muffler with these stock massive 5-inch tips. These tips are great. I think every car should come with 5-inch tips because you have a huge diffuser. Why not fill out the diffuser? I mean, you can go a little bit bigger, to be honest, but you know, that would be like a 6-inch tip or a 5.5. And behind the tips, you have the valves. When you hit that N mode, opens up the valves and you can hear those little pops, those little cracks. Let's talk about this car a little bit more in detail. So this car comes factory around 260 horsepower. It's pretty quick, and I believe it's four-wheel drive as well too. So if it's shooting off the line, you gotta be on your P's and Q's because this thing is moving. I know the Elantra N's, they're pretty quick too. You do, you know, full bolt-ons on that car, you're probably gonna push like another 400 horsepower. Not another, but 400 horsepower. Personally, as a turbo guy myself, I think the best turbos out there are the Supras. If we're looking in this price range, you got the Supras, you got the Zs, you got, you know, let's say the C63s, things of that nature. And you see, we got the Benzes with the twin turbos, but this is gonna sound great. Just a quick repair. Guys, if you need your car worked on, if you need anything from systems, air intakes, catback systems, anything exhaust related, come to Exhaust Davy. We have another location off of 95 in Oakland Park. That's the Oakland Park location. Hit up Justin, hit up G. Leave a comment down below. Let us know, what do you think is the best sounding turbo car right now, okay? Leave a comment. Let us know, is it the Supra? Is it the N-Line? Is it the Z? Is it the 340? Who knows? You know. So let us know. G Exhaust out.
The job is done. We're gonna have them take off. You guys are gonna hear it. I think it's gonna sound good. Let's see. All-wheel drive is quick.
That's not all-wheel drive.
No?
Front-wheel drive.
Oh, I thought you said four-wheel drive.
Front-wheel drive, I think I said. It's alright, ain't no AMG though.
It doesn't have an area. Isn't that the best thing you've ever heard? How satisfied are you? Very satisfied. It's sick, right?
That sounds pushing.
Do you regret you didn't do it as soon as you got it? No. Okay, you wanted to chill with it for a little bit, break it. Yeah, that's the move, man. It sounds sick. What does Nia think?
She likes it.
Yeah.
I think that's what made me do it, because we got Uber Eats, right? And we delivered a pizza to the house, and the pizza driver got into a car accident. I was like,
shut the fuck up.
I was so serious.
You called you and said that?
Yeah, I was like, this is something that only happens to you, Nick. So I'm like, let's go get the pizza. I put this shit in Sport Plus, and I'm racing. And I'm like, do you like the way it sounds? And she was like, yeah. And she's like, gotta make it louder, man.
Yeah, her answer wasn't satisfying enough.